Speaking of Luther Family Ford, they provide us with this view of the I-29 and 32nd Avenue corridor as we look at current conditions at Hector International. Holding on to 10 whole degrees here in the FM area, and there's enough wind to make it feel like it is below zero. 5 below the wind chill here, 14 your temperature at Moorheads Airport, so a pinch warmer off to the east side of the Red River right now. A lot of near 10-degree readings through Lakes Country, but you get north of Interstate 94 and Highway 10, temperatures really taper off quickly to near zero. Grand Forks, you are too. Sub-zero near the Walhalla, Langdon, and Cavalier areas right now, as well as Devil's Lake at a very chilly 3 below air temperature reading, and up in Baudette also below zero at this hour. Factor in those winds, and it is brutal out there with wind chills around 30 below in that Devil's Lake Basin. Snow showers showing up on the radar, and as we take a look at the last hour, they have not moved very far. That's going to be the case. I don't expect these to move into the rest of the area, but we do have a few snow showers for you in the Sisseton Hills and points south towards Watertown. And we do have some south in the James River Valley this evening. A look at the big picture, though. Big time snow in the Central Plains, all the way from Omaha, spreading through much of central and northern Iowa. We are on the cold side of this weather-making system, and it's bitter cold. And it's this cloud cover that we see in our area, limiting us from getting too cold too quickly. But we are seeing clearing up to the north, and here is Hutch's 0-degree line. Arctic air right on the doorstep, and it's crossing into the Northern Valley as we speak, and that is where we have a wind chill advisory for the night. You'll see this crawling across the bottom of your screen. It does include Valley City, Fargo, out towards Lakes Country and points north. As we go through the overnight, we will have times when that wind chill will be 30 to 40 degrees below zero. In your hour-by-hour forecast, if you focus on your neck of the woods, you'll see the temperature in white, you'll see the wind chills in pink, and this evening, notice the clearing starting to punch its way into the northern counties. Your temperatures by bedtime tonight, 5 to 10 below, holding on to single digits barely here in the Southern Valley. Overnight, the clearing trend starts to punch southward. Light will be the winds, 5 to 15 miles per hour, but air temperatures will be brutal, around 10 to 20 below in places, and that's going to be enough to drive those wind chills into the 30 to 40 below category at times for first thing in the morning. Here in the Southern Valley, around 20 below is what it's going to feel like on exposed skin. Notice the clearing trend as we go through midday. Maybe a peak of sunshine, but where these clouds linger, that's going to be good news for your evening temperatures. You won't cool off as fast. The coldest day of the season, the coldest morning of the season, will likely be Wednesday morning for many of you. Actual air temperatures could plummet to 20 below zero in northwest Minnesota. For Fargo, we start out at 4 below in the morning. It's going to be brutal wind chill wise. You may want to take the time to plug in the old jalopy tonight to keep that block warmer. And then as we look at your high temperature with a few peaks of sunshine, we peak at around 4 degrees tomorrow, then quickly see temperatures taper back off. North winds, enough of them to really have that biting effect on your ear. Cover your head for tomorrow. Your hometown forecast shows high temperatures once again below zero along and north of Highway 2. Single digits for most of us down in the Southern Valley. Let's talk about Saturday briefly as we take a look at your hour-by-hour forecast for Saturday. We're going to see snow develop in the area on the American model, and it exits for most of us by Sunday. We'll keep our eyes on that. There are some differences, but suffice it to say, impactful snow could be in the forecast. That has this squirrel trying to photobomb this woodpecker's family photo. Here's a look at your planning forecast. We slowly warm up after the coldest morning of the season for many on Wednesday morning. But by Saturday, those warmer temperatures will bring more moisture and some fuel for some measurable snow. We'll keep you posted on your first alert weather day throughout the week right here.
All right. Thanks, Ty.